Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We're going to have a look at the sum function today. So we'll look at sum, SUMIF and SUMIFS. And these are very simple functions that you could do simply in Excel. Let's see how we can do these. Okay, we're going to have a look at 4 ways on how to use the sum function. The first one is simple. We're going to sum up a range of cells or a full column and a range. Now the syntax is sum and we highlight the full range here and we can close that. Now we have 102 products that are sold. The second one is a SUMIF. SUMIF is used if you have a criteria that you want to select. So what we're going to do in this example is have a look at any product which is a yellow color and we want to sum up only the quantities that are sold from this range. So this is how the SUMIF works. So we add the SUMIF, open the bracket. Now we need to define where the criteria is first. So this is the range where we want to see if the products are a certain criteria, and the criteria is yellow. So there's a comma after the range. Now we have a quote marks for anything that's in a text. Close that, a comma, and then we have the range here where we want to sum up. Close the bracket. And there you go, we have 27. So in this example, we have yellow here, which is 15, and yellow here, so is 12 and 15, which makes 27. A SUMIFS function is used if you have more than 2 criteria. We're going to have a look at the example here where we're going to have a look at a color, which is red in column E, and we're going to have a look at the department, which is fruits. So let's start. If we do SUMIFS, we can open that. Where is the sum range? So here in the example, it's the opposite way around, where we have to select the range where we want to sum up first and the criteria comes next. So a comma here, and now criteria range 1. So the first one is this range. We put a comma and the quote marks of red. Close the comma, bracket. Now we choose the second range, which is the department, comma that, and we then have the quote marks and add in fruits over here. Let's spell that correctly, fruits, close the bracket, and we now have summed up the quantity of products that are red and are in the fruits. So if we have a look over here, so 3 quantity was sold from red fruits. Now a sum product is an interesting function where if we would like to multiply the price by the quantity, we won't have to do that one by one. What we do is a sum product. It doesn't make sense if you total up this column and total up this column because each product has a different price. So the sum product is used in cases where you would like to multiply this range of products here, or this range of data here, with this range of data here. Now if we do that, what it returns us is 7994, which is the sum of multiplying this cell with this cell and adding them all the way one by one. So it works through every single cell, multiplies it and gives you the total product here. That's it for today. I hope that you found it useful and I hope that you have a lot of cases that you will be using the sum function. Thank you.